What's up, DoorDash drivers? In this video, I'm going to do a tutorial of the app when you're actually on a dash and you're in the app looking at your screen before an order pops up. I want to go through all the little things that are all over the screen, and I want to show you what they all can do for you. So let's get to it right now. Let's start at the top left where the little settings gear is located. Click on that. This will give you different things you can do when you're out on dash. Let's start with pause orders at the top. This will allow you 35 minutes to be paused while actively on your dash. Now you can see at the bottom where it says resume dash. So if you're done paused, hit resume. If you just want to end your dash, click on end dash and your dash will end at that moment. What are some effective reasons why you would use this pause feature? Number one, if you are a multi-apper and you want to select orders from another app and you want to pause that DoorDash while you're out there doing that Uber Eats or that Grubhub, use the pause feature so you're not messing with your ratings. Number two, if you are a DoorDash driver alone and you find yourself in a place that doesn't have a lot of good restaurants, or you have a lot of deadhead miles to get back to the restaurant area, hit that pause so you don't get orders from all over the place that you don't want to have, and you can get to where you want to be before you restart your dash around those restaurants you like to deliver from. Number three would just be if you need to take a quick restroom break or to fill up on gas or get yourself a snack, always remember to hit that pause so you don't accidentally get offers that you don't want when you're doing those types of things. Now let's get back to the tutorial. Next thing down, click on add time and it will pop up the available times that you can extend your dash to. Right here, I clicked on 8:30. It extends my dash to 8:30. To the right of add time, you'll see where it says end now. If you want to stop your dash right now, click there. Down below under other, you'll see go to home screen. If you want to go back to your home screen, click on that and it'll pull you back to your home screen where there's other options to choose from. If you want to go back into your dash, click where it says return to dash. The next thing down is going to be navigation options. Go ahead and click on that and it'll pull up in-app navigation, Apple Maps, or Google Maps for your options. Select what you want, click save, and move along from there. Next is read instructions on arrival. If you want that on, toggle it on. If you want it off, toggle it off. Next one down is dash preferences. When we click on that, it's going to pull up different preferences for you to select. At the top, you can toggle shop and deliver if you're okay with doing shop and deliver orders. Remember, you will need your red card for that. Next down would be your alcohol delivery. If you want to do that, you can toggle that on. You're going to want to read those fine print materials to know what that entails. Then you've got cash on delivery orders. You got to toggle that on if you want to carry some cash in your pocket and have change for people if they do cash deliveries. Finally, pizza delivery. You can toggle that on and it shows here that you have a pizza bag. You're ready to go for those pizza orders. Lastly, safe driving features at the bottom. It'll pull up information that shows your driving insights, insight frequencies, and you can toggle whether or not you want to hear the hard brake audio alerts when you're out delivering. In the top right hand corner, find the chat boxes. Click there to pull up conversations in current orders or former orders. And if you click on the actual conversation box, it'll pull up the full conversation you had with that customer. Back to the home screen at the top, we want to click on the blue shield. It's going to pull up the safety tools that are available for you when you're out on dash. You can see there that you can swipe for 911 if you're in an emergency situation. There's other things like share location, report safety issues, and talk with an ADT security agent. This is important if you're in an emergency situation out on a dash. Now click on the question mark in the top right hand side. This is the help tab and it pulls up things like why am I not getting orders, chat with support, FAQ and phone support, safety issues where you can report a safety problem, and other helpful resources. Now on the bottom left, you can see the estimated wait times. If you click on that, it'll pull up information just displaying how much time it should take to get an offer at that time. This is based off historical data and is not fully accurate. To the right, you'll see two little compass items. They just orient your screen, so you can click on those if you need to recenter your screen. Down below that, you see the list of hotspot restaurants that are on your map. Above there to the right, In green is your money for this dash. So how much money you've earned so far this dash. This does not include your total day. If you've stopped and you've started again, this is only for the current dash you're on. And the last thing on the top left is the distance legend that tells you on your map how far away you are from a restaurant or place of the community. So there you have it. Those are all of the functions on the DoorDash app when you're on a dash on that home screen before orders will pop up when you're looking for orders. I will make another video about all the things at your actual home screen, where your earnings are at, where your ratings are at, and those types of things. I wanted to split this up, make it easier for people to watch each one of those, since there are a lot of different features to this DoorDash app. I also want to let you know, if you want to know what features there are when you're actually on an order, I just recently made a step-by-step tutorial video on how to complete a DoorDash order. I break it down in there, and I'll just put a picture of the thumbnail right here so you guys can see what it looks like. Go into my page, watch that video, and it'll help you understand how to navigate that app when you're actively on an order. Until the next video, take care.